welcome back to our EVS session. I hope you all are absolutely good and doing your work properly and taking care of yourself at your places. So, as you all know, we are here after 2 or 3 days, right? So, students, in the last week, we had completed our chapter number 7, that is Water and Us, right? Our chapter number 7 is completed, that is Water and Us, and worksheet of that chapter today I will give you in the homework. Okay, so you all have to do that worksheet. I will send the PDF file and you have to do that worksheet and you have to paste in your notebook. It is for the homework. So students, as you all know, we were doing the revision part along with this, and test of chapter number 4 is done. Now we will start the revision of chapter number 5. Okay, and in this session we are starting a new topic, and you know this topic is my favorite topic. Yes, this topic is food. I hope आप सबको food बहुत पसंद है, right? So food is my favorite topic. So in this session we will talk about food. Now, one thing I want to tell you that after chapter number 7, there are chapter number 8 and chapter number 9 also, right? But it is not in syllabus. Chapter number 8 and chapter number 9 is not in syllabus. So we will start this session with the chapter number 10. Today we are going to start chapter number 10. Topic is the story of food. Chapter number 10, that is the story of food. So as you all know the conditions, so उसको देखते हुए we just cut down your 30% syllabus. So for that 8 and 9 chapter will not include in your syllabus. So today we are starting with the chapter number 10. Topic is food, story of food. In this chapter we are going to talk about food only. Okay, so children, tell me, what is food? First question is for you. What is food? What is food? Think about it. What is food? Till then I am telling you the password of the day. Our password of the day is neighborhood. I think all of you know the meaning of this. Neighborhood. Neighborhoods are जो हमारे घर के आसपास रहते हैं, our neighbors, जिनको हम पड़ोसी कहते हैं, right? So these are the neighborhoods. Okay, so it is the password of the day, neighborhood. Learn the spelling also, because this word we will use in this chapter. NEIGHBOURHOOD, neighborhood. So coming back to the question, what is food? Yes, so I hope आप सबने सोच लिया होगा that what is food? Food, that is something we eat or drink to stay alive, right? Food is that something we need to eat or drink to stay alive. This is meaning of food. So this is the food जो हम खाते हैं और पीते हैं to stay alive. Okay, next question is, first was what is food. Next question is, why do we eat food? Yes, so think about this question. Why do we eat food? Yes, students. So tell me, why do we eat food? I know many of you know the answer because we are eating food daily, right? So we eat food to grow. We eat food to grow. Second is, we eat food to be strong and healthy. Second thing is this. See, why do we eat food? We eat food to grow. As you are becoming bigger and bigger, right? So it is just because of the food we are eating food daily. So we eat food to grow. We eat food to be strong. We eat food to be strong and stay healthy. Okay. Then next is, Can you do any work? No, we cannot do that work. We cannot do study. We cannot play if we are not having energy. If we will not eat food, we will not get energy. So to get energy, we eat food. So this was about what is food. Food, that is something we eat or drink to stay alive. Then why do we eat food? We eat food to grow, to be strong and healthy, and to get energy for playing, for working, for studying. For that we need energy, and that energy we get from food. Okay, children. So this was about these two questions. Now the next is, see, next question is, where does food come from? Okay, have you ever think, where does food come from? खाना कहाँ से आता है? Have you ever think about it? So food comes from, firstly I will tell you about some food come from plants. Some food comes from plants. And the second thing is, some food comes from animals also. So thing is, where does food come from? Food comes from plants, and some food comes from animals also, right? So like we are eating cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits, ये सब हमें कहाँ से मिल रहा है? These all things we are getting from the plants. किससे मिलते हैं हमें? Plants से. Then the next is, some food comes from animals like ghee, butter, milk, and you can say meat also. So these are the things which we are getting from the animals. So one by one we will talk about this. Now let's see another part. Okay students, now our next topic is, firstly we will talk about that food comes from plants. We will talk about the food which comes from plants. So we get vegetables, fruits, spices, cereals, oil and medicines from plants. These all things we get from plants. कहाँ से मिलते हैं हमें ये सब चीजें? We get from plants. So one by one we will study about each and everything. It will take time to complete this chapter because it is very lengthy chapter. So you have to listen it carefully. You have to read the chapter again and again for the better understanding. Okay. Now firstly I will tell you about the vegetables. So students, vegetables. You know, vegetables are very good for our health. Green vegetables are very good for our health, and vegetables can be eaten raw or it can be cooked also. It can be eaten cooked also. It can be eaten raw and it can be eaten cooked also. We can eat raw vegetables as well as we can eat cooked vegetables. Both are good for our health. Okay, now before this, firstly we will talk about parts of plant. As I told you before in the chapter plants around us, I told you about the parts of plants. I hope you remember that. So there are some parts of plants are like roots, stems, leaves and flower. Okay, roots, stems, leaves and flower. So children, do you know we eat different parts of plants in vegetables? We eat different parts of plants as vegetables, like we eat their roots also, we eat their stems also, we eat their leaves also, we eat their flower also. So this now I will tell you one by one. Firstly I will tell you about the roots of the plants. So children, these vegetables grow under the ground, right? It is grows in the roots, so we eat them, right? We eat the roots, like these are the roots, turnip, carrot and radish. We eat them. Then the next about the stems. See, what about the stems? You know, we also eat stems, underground stems of the plant, like onion. We eat onion, ginger. So these are the stems of the plant which we eat. So it was about the roots. We eat roots of the plant like turnip, carrot, radish. These are the roots, we eat them. Then about the stems, we eat onion, ginger, and we can say potato, and these are the these are some underground stems which we eat. Okay. Then the next about the leaves. We eat leaves of the plant, like in vegetables we can say spinach, right? Mint, cabbage. There are so many leaves of the plants which we eat, like we eat coriander, right? We eat spinach, we eat mint, cabbage. So these are the some leaves which we eat. Okay. About this again, I am telling you, we eat vegetables, like we eat so many parts of plants. We eat roots, stems and leaves. Roots are turnip, carrot and radish. Stems are onion, ginger and potato, and so many are there. Like, and then leaves are spinach, mint and cabbage. Okay, so this was about the food comes from plants. Now one more thing I want to tell you. So one thing is left there, that is flour. Flour, like cauliflower. Cauliflower is we eat as a vegetable, right? So this is the flour, and vegetables like tomato, brinjal, we eat as a vegetables. These are the fruits of the plant. Okay. After the flowers, fruits grow, and those fruits are known as tomato and brinjals. Tomato and brinjals are the fruits of the plants. So there are 5 parts of plant I told you about: root, stem, leaves, flower and fruits. So fruits are tomato and brinjals. They are vegetables, but it is fruits of plants. Okay. This was about the vegetables, and that is all in the today's session. In the next session we will continue with this, and now I am telling you the homework. So homework for the day is you have to do the given worksheet. आपको मैं एक वर्कशीट सेंड करूंगी. You have to do that, and from tomorrow we will start with the revision of chapter number 5 also. So only homework is do the given worksheet. I will send it to you. Yes. So you have to do that worksheet, and you have to paste the same in your EVS notebook. And that is all for today. In the next session, we will continue the same chapter. Till then, stay safe. Bye-bye and take care.